My people, this matter just took a completely new turn. So you'll remember the video we made yesterday about Reverend Chidi Amakaeze, the man who went to court and secured the judgment that eventually led to the eviction of Obi Cubana's Abuja lounge. Oh yes, this particular one. Well, today, the story has taken an unexpected twist because his own brothers have now come out publicly to call him out, and what they are saying is shocking. According to the brothers of Reverend Chidi Amakaeze, identified as Real Amakaeze on X, he said Chidi Amakaeze is not the saint people think he is. He said Chidi Amakaeze is one wicked brother that does not care about anything other than properties. According to him, their mother has been lying unburied for over 10 years and he has done nothing. He did not work for anything. Everything he's fighting for is now inheritance. Imagine that. While many Nigerians were still trying to understand the legal battle that led to the eviction of Cubana's business from Plot 81 in Abuja, the brothers of the man behind the court case are now alleging that everything he does is motivated by greed and family property disputes.
My brother gives an impression that in fighting Obi Kubana or trying to remove him from the premises, that he's doing it on behalf of the family. But there is no lie bigger than that. In 2018, you came to the Abuja Federal High Court and swore an affidavit that you're the only surviving next of kin and son of Reverend Obi Abuja. On that premises, you deceived the court to give you and issue you a letter of administration, a sole letter of administration, which was countered anyway. It has been countered. There's no need for sentiments. You just have to be straightforward. The actions of my brother, Reverend Chidi Amakaeze, has been nothing short of wickedness in the highest sense of it. We are from the Awuda village in Unobi. I am the second son of Reverend Obi Amakaeze and Mother Mary Chenyere Amakaeze. And it is a pity how our name has been dragged to the mud because of the insistence of someone to have things his own way every time without consideration of others. A church that was left in your care, 250 branches of Holy Sabbath of Christ the King Mission. Nobody is challenging you on that. Not to talk of the assets that you inherited, double portion ahead of your brothers. But what do? Every day it is one trouble after another. Up till now, our mother died 2016. 9 years later, the funeral has not been performed. And every day you climb upon the altar to say God bless people, teaching them laws that will bring about hatred in their life. I've made a public apology to you and the church. I call it apology. I didn't do anything to you, but I still call it apology. I said the way I've been carrying on, the anger I've been using to express myself, maybe it is not so good. But what came out of it? You have portrayed yourself as somebody who does not want peace. You have portrayed yourself in sight of everybody. Today is one thing, the other day is another thing. Our mother, the funeral rite has not been performed, and you're all over social media attacking another person, saying that they are taking the property. The woman that owns that property died. We that are alive today will die tomorrow. You have not honored her yet, and you're busy throwing abuses, sending your lieutenants and your cohorts on social media to insult a man that has done nothing but to respect you all his life. We all know him. From the humble beginning, see what he has achieved. And you have consistently refused to see reason with any other person. This one is mine. Everything is mine. You have concocted a petition against your brothers just March over there, claiming that they burnt your house, that they should be arrested. You even lied openly and said that I live behind the burnt house. When the police got there, they didn't see anything. And you're now telling the whole world that you're correct, that you're the landlord. What makes you the landlord? What is it in your life, or what is it have your siblings done to you, Chidi Amakaeze, that you dislike them to this extent of dishonoring the memory of your father, of the church? And the people that are supporting you out there, no one cares to tell you to. Seek peace. The role of the first son is not just to take money. The role of the first son is to actually build others and bring the family together. That is what Diopala is in an Igbo. Diopala is not just when it comes to taking money. The money in the church, you've been eating it only by yourself. Nobody has challenged you. Nobody has come close to you. Because how can, out of a family of 6 children, 5 people do not come to the establishment of their father, the church, because of you? 5 children. If you're so correct, why is it that one person at least will not come over to your side and say, this is what you want? It's so terrible. I'm sorry, but I have to put this outside. This was someone that arrested his own mom, put her in a bus, on the floor of the bus, and drove her all the way from Enugu in the middle of the night to Oka. If it wasn't the help of some very friendly pastors that came to my mom's rescue, because of what? Somebody that was dragging money with the mom. I do not understand. Some assets of the church, you have sold almost all the missions in the northern part of Nigeria, from Gombe to Maiduguri, even to Satellite Mission in Lagos. You sold all of them. The 250 branches that you inherited, how many are remaining? Why so much confusion? Why bring yourself out to throw stones when you live in a glass house? The way that he has decided to brutally attack Mr. Obi Kubana on social media, calling him names, it's nothing short of wickedness. If information is going out there, Obi did this, Obi is trying to take somebody's property, Obi is trying to do that. No! Obi just said, you have siblings. I can settle today, but they have to have a share. I grew up with them. They are my friends. They are family to me. That is just what I want to put out there. There is no problem coming from Obi Kubana. The problem is coming internally from Amakaeze family. And it's a pity nobody can speak on this topic. This matter has been going on dragging for ages. For 10 years today, I've not even seen my brother with my eyes. All I get from him are messages of arrest him, get him arrested. He's a stupid man. He said, without love, what are you preaching, my brother? May those who have discerning hearts discern for themselves. All I know is that there's a court case going on. So no matter where your emotion pushes you, just understand that the truth will stand at the end of the day. So no matter the drama you decide to put out there, no matter who you call, Abubakar or Uzurike as the new owners of the place, the court will decide on the matter. It is not, you cannot get the house like that. God bless all of us.
They claim he's ready to fight anybody, even his own blood, just to hold on to anything he considers inheritance. This revelation has left Nigerians divided. Some say the brothers are only speaking now because the case involves a celebrity. Others believe it simply exposes a deeper family issue that has been hidden for so many years. And many are now even wondering whether the entire land case with Obi Kubana is rooted in ownership, rightful purchase, or just a long history of family greed. One thing is certain, this story is far from over, and the family drama has just added fuel to an already blazing fire. Stay tuned, my people. This one will unfold like a full Nollywood series. We'll see you in the next one.
By the court order, today being the 9th of December 2025. Congratulations, the nation has had the officially.